I ain't never got a flex. All I get is checks. Buy a private jet. Where we going next? I'm too up every day. 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 I ain't never got a flex. All I get is checks. Buy a private jet. Where we going next? I'm too up every day. I'm too up every day. I'm too up every day. I'm too up every day.
Back at it once again. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP, with the weekly money watch. As you know, this week is a short week. I'm enjoying my time off. I hope you are enjoying your time off as well. I'm very, very excited about this week to come, and I know you are as well. And I know why you're here. Before we get into it, make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe. And when we get to the end of this, make sure to share the video with the people you love. As you should know, or if you don't know, I started a public portfolio. Our goal is to go from $100 to $1 million. Now, of course, this will not happen overnight, but before you can get to 1 million, you have to get to 100, you have to get to 1,000, you have to get to 10,000, and so forth. And I'm going to teach you guys the right way to do that. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and give an update and go ahead and get into this market and do what we do. As you can see right now, the portfolio is currently up 4.76%. And since we got in, it's pretty much been going straight up. You can see how some of the holdings are doing. NU, I'm proud of, up 14.43%. And I am going to keep everyone updated. And I am going to be adding to the portfolio, so I am definitely looking forward to that. And I'm going to show you how to balance your portfolio the right way, especially if you're a beginner and you don't know how to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it the right way, and hopefully we can keep this trajectory going straight up. And I believe that is something that we definitely can accomplish. So if you haven't checked out the previous videos where I give my insights and how we get started and you're new, make sure to check out those previous videos on my channel. Let's get into the week ahead. We always like to take a look at the Market Watch economics calendar. Of course, today being the holiday, there is nothing going on today. Tuesday, Fed Governor Christopher Waller speaks. Wednesday, quite a few events. U.S. retail sales minus autos. We got Fed Vice Chair for Supervision Michael Barr speaking. There's quite a bit going on we might want to be aware of. Thursday, initial jobless claims. So I know a lot of people are going to be paying attention to that. And then Friday, existing home sales, and Fed Vice Chair Barr speaks again, along with San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly. Let's get into the plays for the week. I'm very excited for this week. We got some things I'm excited about, and we'll see how these things go. One of the tickers I'm going to be looking at is Clorox or bleach. Clorox is pretty clean right here. We know there's been a lot of viruses going around, as they say, and Clorox is a staple. It's not going anywhere. We all know about the product. So it's been on a little run, and it looks like it's going to come out of some consolidation. So I'm looking for a 2-week above $143.51. Economic events with the stocks we want to be aware of. There is a $1.20 dividend that is being paid on January 23rd. So we want to see how that affects the stock. We want to be aware of that. And then earnings on February 4th. Earnings conference call February 1st, 2024, 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. So be aware that in case you get any drops, they may present opportunities for discounts. I believe there may be a quick run up, so I'm going to be looking for discounts if we get that. Next ticker I am going to be looking at is SYY. This is another staple right here. We should all be familiar with SYY, even if you've never traded it for options. So one of the things about this is I like to trade options on the type of stocks that I would buy, right? So I like to buy Coke stock, therefore I constantly trade Coke options. So that's kind of how my mind works. With options, we actually manage to get leverage based on the movement of the underlying stocks, right? So if we know that the stock is going to go up, simply what we want to do with the options is pick an option contract that correlates with where we believe the stock is actually going to go. The question is how to know where the stock is going to go. Stick around. I won't get into it too much now, but over the course of time, as this process plays out, you will absolutely learn how to know exactly when to get into a trade, when to get out of a trade. Getting back into the watch list, I am looking for a 212 4-hour entry above $75.75. If you hear me talking and you're new, you'll realize that I am talking in a series of codes. The code simply consists of 3 numbers, 1, 2, and 3. Each one of these codes has a special meaning that helps you determine some of the price action that's occurring at any given time in the market. Stick around, you are going to learn SYY 212 4-hour above $75.75. The last ticker I'm going to be looking at this week, we're all familiar with PayPal. PayPal, the payment processor, PayPal, Venmo, and PayPal is a profitable company. PayPal right now is extremely undervalued, so that presents some potentially fantastic opportunities in PayPal. So I'm looking for PayPal to be very, very bullish over time. Details, they have earnings on February 7th and February 7th, 4 p.m. Central Standard Time for the conference call. I actually skipped over the data for SYY earnings January 30th and earnings conference call on January 30th, 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. So we are in earnings season, so we shall have earnings all over the place. So back to PayPal, I'm looking for a 312 4-hour above $61.72. Again, that's a 312 4-hour above $61.17. Something else I want you to notice is that I have different charts with different time frames on my screen. Currently, I have a quarterly, a monthly, a weekly, and a daily. The reason I have these different time frames is because it's what's called multi-time frame analysis. I want to see who's in control of any given time period. I'm not going to get too much into that right now. I'm not going to make the video too long. If you're interested in learning, put in the comments, I'm interested. and learning. Once again, little by little, I'm going to get into it. I'm excited for you to learn. This is a skill that you can use to feed yourself and your family for years to come. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to share the video. If you found the information valuable, I expect to see you back in the future. My name is Boss Gang VIP, and I'm looking forward to having a wonderful week. Blessings to you and your family. Catch up with you later. Peace.